Last week, the World Health Organization and the United Nations launched a new road safety initiative. The initiative has been termed the Decade of Action for Road Safety 2021 to 2030. The launch sets the ambitious target of preventing at least 50% of all road traffic deaths and injuries by 2030. Globally, road accidents cause over 1.3 million preventable deaths and over 50 million injuries each year. This makes road accidents the leading killer of children and young people worldwide aged 5 to 29. The new global plan details the actions needed to achieve its 2030 goal. This includes accelerated action to make walking, cycling, and using public transport safe, therefore aiding greener forms of transport. Additionally, it calls for the improvement of vehicles and driver behaviour to ensure safer roads. Effective fleet management is the key to any business's success. GPS tracking helps fleet managers to reduce road risks while improving business performance, cost efficiency, and staff well-being. The new scheme asks businesses and industries of all sizes and sectors to do their part in what way they can to help reduce road accidents. The good news is, Pay-As-You-Track has a simple and cost-effective solution to manage your drivers, reduce driver blind spots, and manage driver behaviour. Pay-As-You-Track provides an industry-leading multi-camera DVR integrated into our software. The multi-camera DVR includes a front camera, internal cameras, side cameras, back cameras, and sensors. Installing a multi-camera DVR provides numerous benefits to vehicle-related businesses. Just some of the benefits you will experience with multi-camera DVR are reduced insurance costs. To hear more about how telematics can reduce your vehicle costs, check out the link in our description. A multi-camera DVR can help improve your company image and build your customers' trust by improving your company's driving standards. Additionally, by eliminating vehicle blind spots, you're taking a step towards making the roads safer for cyclists and pedestrians. Direct Vision Standard and Transport for London have introduced a new HGV safety permit for vehicles over 12 tonnes travelling through London to make the roads safer for non-vehicles. To secure a permit and to avoid fines of up to £550, a DVR system will need to be installed in your vehicle, followed by applying for the permit. A multi-camera DVR reduces insurance costs by providing dashcam footage in the case of an accident. And finally, our multi-camera DVRs have proven essential in helping our customers to prove their vehicles have done the work they were meant to do in the case of a dispute. So with so many tracking options on the market, why choose Pay-As-You-Track? The new global plan required optimises fleet management, prioritising driver management to ensure that road risk is eliminated. The reality is, both small and large businesses face different constraints that can make it hard to optimise driver management. Small fleet managers may find that they are having to juggle a lot of responsibilities due to a smaller work team, while larger fleet managers may find it hard to keep track of a large number of drivers and vehicles. The good news is, whatever your fleet size, Pay-As-You-Track's GPS software does the hard work for you, helping you manage your drivers without taking your time away from other duties. We provide driver behaviour alerts and reports for harsh braking, speeding, and much more, so we can help you identify where additional training is required. Pay-As-You-Track is the UK's only no-contract pay-as-you-go GPS tracking supplier. We will not charge you for tracking if your vehicle is not in use. As a result, this has saved our customers hundreds of pounds over the lockdown periods. We provide an affordable tracking plan that fits your business and is flexible to any changes your business may encounter. We provide an in-house support team on call whenever you need it. We're here to make your fleet management easier. In consequence, our DVR system can save your business money and cut down on road accidents. For an instant quote, check out the link in the description. If you're requesting a quote for a multi-camera DVR system, we offer finance solutions and multiple purchase discounts. Just get in touch with one of our team using the details on the screen. Make sure to subscribe and check out our social media channels in the description, and we thank you for watching.